Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening. If peradventure this is your evening, good night if this is your night. In Igbo, we say ụtụtụ ọma. If this is your morning, ehihie ọma o mgbede ọma for evening, and we say abalị ọma for night, depending on your location. Wherever you are, see me right now. It is time for us to have our class as agreed. This is time to have our live class. So wherever you are, see me right now. It's good you begin to join the class now. By the way, this class is meant for only channel members. So if you are not yet member of our channel, you do well to join our channel membership now. There is a black round button beside our channel name. If you are in our homepage, with join written inside it. So you click on that button and then do the necessary things you need to do to become a member of our channel. With that, you will be able to gain access to our live classes every Saturday. Not only that you are going to gain access to the current classes, you will also have access to previous ones. Once you join membership, you go and click on, show PEX or PEX. Okay, that will show you all our, previous classes. You can also go and click on there's a button for membership under the tabs. When you are in our homepage, go to the tabs, scroll to membership, click on membership. That will open up the PEX and the previous live classes we've had for members. So you can begin to watch all of them one by one, as the case may be, if you miss anyone. So do well to join our membership today, and you'll be glad you did. Apart from gaining access to our live classes every Saturday as a member, you are also entitled to one free ebook every month. Very soon, we're going to release our ebook for this month. So join our membership now so you can gain access to a free ebook and audiobook every month. That will also ensure that you accelerate your learning process. So members of the channel are expected to start joining now so we can begin our today's class in earnest. We don't want to exceed our time. 1 hour is the time. So if you're a member of the channel, you do well to begin to join this class now so we can begin learning right away. We want to maintain our time as much as possible. So channel members, begin to join this class now. Chika, no, you are always number one to come to class. I love that spirit. Yeah, you are a great, student. Chika, you're welcome to class. So, number one today again, I want to welcome you officially. Okay? Chika, no, no, na class. Okay? No, 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 na class. Okay? Okay? Is that class? Yeah. Yeah. I hope that is correct. No, in the class. All right, Chika, no. Who else is in the class? I have Chika with me here. Kedonye no n'ụlọ. Who is in the house? Onye no n'ụlọ. Chika, I'm seeing one crown beside your name. Is it my channel crown? Have you won a crown in my channel? I see crown, hashtag number 1. Is that my channel a crown given to you? I don't know about that. Or you have another crown from another place. Don't mind me, but I'm seeing crown against your name. Okay, so is that my channel crown or a crown from somewhere else? And hashtag 1, Chika number 1. Is that the meaning of that? Am I right? Okay, who else is in the class? Please, when you join our live class, you just indicate. I don't even know where the crown come from. Wow, I'm just seeing it. That's great. That's great. I just saw it now. I was wondering, what is this crown for? But it's good. Maybe you are number 1 to be in our class today. And you're always number 1. Maybe that's why they give you crown number 1 and hashtag 1. Always first in class. So it's interesting. Now, are you hearing me very clearly? Let me be sure. Is my audio clear enough, Chika, before other people join the class? Am I clear enough in my audio? Is it clear enough? Confirm you can hear me very well. Yes, that's great. All right. Where are the rest, people? Waiting for you. Join the class now. We want to begin in earnest. We want to maintain our 1 hour without exceeding it so that we can get out and do other things that are important for the day. I know some people in US, this is your morning. Some other people, this is their afternoon. And then some people too, this could be their evening or night. So we make sacrifices to come together and to participate in this class. So we don't need to waste anybody's time. Time is money, actually. So where are the rest, people? Where are you? Are you in the class? Please indicate you are in the class. Drop your greetings in the chat so we know you are in the class. We can welcome you officially. Drop your greetings. Who else is in the class now? As soon as we get 2, 3 people in the class, we begin our class. We will not wait too long. Yes, once I get one more person or two, we begin. We cannot allow those who are coming late to class to hold us down. Those who consider it very important come to class early, just like Chika. So we cannot delay her, hold her down while we are waiting for others to join. But Chika, please be patient. We will not be able to have the class, only 2 of us, so it will not be as interesting as it ought to be. But while we are waiting for them, let's use our own time. So with Tarat, Keki mere Chika. Keki mere. Let's be talking before they come in. So Guadiro or the Ma. Okay, this Adiro, sometimes we don't consider it as a central Igbo. So Adi sometimes is most acceptable. But it's not as if we don't understand Adiro means no day. Okay? So Adiro, okay. Ke maka orogi. Okay. Ke maka orogi. Ke maka orogi. Ke maka orogi. Ke maka orogi Chika. Ke maka orogi. We cannot allow you to waste this time for nothing. We have to do something with it. Since you are in the class, you consider it important to be here on time, we cannot waste it. So I ask you another question. Ke maka orogi. Yet to get your response on that. Ke maka orogi. If you understand what I ask, you answer. If you don't, tell me you don't understand. Ọrụ dị mma. Anyị na-ekele Chineke. Excellent. Excellent. Work is good. We are thanking God. Okay? Ọ dị mma. Kele dịrị Chineke. Chika, kee maka obodo Senegal. Ọkwa nsogbu adịghị na Senegal. Nsogbu adịghị na Senegal. Kwa ya? Ọkwa nsogbu adịghị na. Okay, ndewo. Ụtụtụ ọma, Maazị Emeghe. Ndewo na class. Okay, I can see that YouTube is one giving this crown. And they are giving crown to first position, second position. They have given Emehe #2, which is crown number 2, second person to come to class. That is why you have crown number 2. I can see that this crown is coming from YouTube itself. So we have crown 1 for first person to join class, crown 2, second runner up. I hope we're going to get crown 3. Okay, I asked Chika, ọkwa nsogbu adị na Senegal? Ọkwa nsogbu adị na Senegal? Maazị Emeghe nọ ka maka obodo America. Maazị Emeghe ka maka obodo America. Ka maka obodo America. Yes. I ask questions. I am waiting for answers. I ask Chika, ọkwa nsogbu adị na Senegal? Okay, Dr. Nedu, you are welcome to class. No, Nedu. I ask Chika, ọkwa nsogbu adị na Senegal? I ask Maazị Emeghe, kee maka obodo America? I ask Nedu, kee maka ezinụlọ gị? Different questions for different people. Nedu does not have any crown. He doesn't have any crown, maybe because he has not been coming to class for a long time. Chika has been consistent in class, and Clement too. I think that's why they have crown numbers 1 and 2 as a congratulatory recognition of their consistency in class. Nsogbu adịghị na Senegal. Senegal nọ n'udo, hallelujah. Ekele dịrị Chineke. Kee maka emeghe, ajụrụ maka America. Ajụrụ m Dr. Nedu, kee maka ezinụlọ. Obodo m America dị mma. No, okay. You want to put obodo m America. You added my country America dị mma. That's okay. Nedu said ha dị mma. Excellent. All of you are doing well. Okay, let's go to our main topic of today and what we are going to discuss around. We will discuss around my friend. My friend. What do we call my friend in Igbo? My friend. How do we say my friend in Igbo? Or let me say my special friend. Let's even make it more deeper. My special friend. How do we write that in Igbo? My special friend. We're going to discuss around that today because class is starting now, already starting, because we're already 3 in number. My special friend. How do we write it in Igbo? My special friend. Who can help us? Who will get it? My special friend. How do we write it in Igbo? My special friend. Yes. Chika wrote Enyim. Nedu say, I am special. Odema. What about Emehe? What do you say? My special friend. Chika, I don't know my special also. You only wrote Enyim. Enyim is just my friend though. I said my special friend. Chika. Mazi Emehe. What do you say? My special friend. Who is helping us? Enyim ka nuku. Not really. Nuku is big, not special. Chika, what do you say? Okay, Chika say, ezigbo enyim. Ezigbo enyim is my good friend. Then Clement say, am I special? All right. I don't win enough for this one. Okay, let me write it. Enyim pụrụ iche. Pụrụ iche. Okay? That is my special friend. Enyim pụrụ iche. Anything special is ọpụrụ iche. It is special. Ọpụrụ iche. That means it's standing out. Standing out. Ọpụrụ iche. Standing out. Special. Okay? I hope that is clear to everybody. So, I'll be talking about this special friend now. In my own way, in my own language, I'll be saying it in Igbo, and then I want you to be writing what I'm saying and responding when I want you to respond. You will respond. We start right now. Enwere m enyi pụrụ iche na ndụ m. Enwere m enyi pụrụ iche na ndụ m. Let's go. Write what I said in English. Don't repeat it in Igbo. Write what I said in English. That shows me that you understood what I said. Enwere m enyi pụrụ iche na ndụ m. Who will help us out? Write what I said in English. Translate it to English and write in the chat. Enwere m enyi pụrụ iche na ndụ m. Let's go there. Who is bailing the cat? Who is shooting first? Is a context. Okay, Chika, you're wearing car number one. Oh, don't let anybody win you in this contest. I have a special friend in my life. That they do. Clement, I have a special friend in London. I say Nandum. I didn't say in London. I didn't mention London. You have failed it. Oh. Listen to instruction and follow what I'm saying. Emehe, you wrote a different thing. Okay, Chika wrote, I have a special friend named Nandum. Oh, that Nandum is not a name. It's not a name. The only person that got it clearly is Nedu. Nedu got it perfectly well. I have a special friend in my life. Nandum. Nandum. That is what I said. Not that the name is Nadum. No. Enwere m enyi pụrụ iche na ndụ m. I have a special friend in my life. So Nedu is the winner here. Up you, Nedu. Okay, let's go on. Okay, let's go to the next one. Aha ya bo. Put the name. Put the aha ya ebe ahụ. Aha ya bụ. Dee ya, dezuo ya. Tinye aha ya n'ebe ahụ. Aha ya bụ. Let's go. Aha ya bụ. Tinye aha ya ebe ahụ. Ngwa, dee ya ọsịsọ. Aha ya bụ. Denye aha ya. Ngwa ka anyị gaa. Kedu onye bụ ụzọ ede ya? Onye na-agba onye nke mbụ? Onye na-ewere onye nke mbụ? Aha ya bụ. Tinye aha ya. Dezuo ya, tinye aha ya n'ebe ahụ. Nedu has written. Nedu has written. I wait for others to write. Aha ya bụ. Tinye aha ya n'ebe ahụ. Dezuo ya. Aha ya bụ. Okay, that's good, Chika. That's fine. And Emehe, where are you? These people are pushing you back. Oh, these new students are challenging you seriously. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I've got 2 responses. I'm waiting for Mehe. I don't know if there's any 4th person in the class. I have 4 participants, but I don't know the 4th person. He has not responded to any question. Maybe he's an observer. His name is Clement. Okay. All of you got it right. His name is Samuel. His name is Kelechi. His name is Clement. Excellent. Okay. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya rinne. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya rinne. Let's go. Write that in English. Translate it. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya rinne. Let's go there. Translate it in English. What I have said now. Translate in English and write in the chat. Ahụrụ m ya n'anya rinne. Oh, Nnake, welcome to class. Mazi Nnake, the latest husband in town. Hope you are enjoying your marriage. This is this guy. Please help me congratulate Nnake family. He just got wedded last week. Just give him a shout out. Give him a bottle of champagne. Give him a flower. Give him a thumbs up. That is our family member, Nnake family. Just married last week. Can somebody help me give him a champagne, a bottle of champagne in the FM emoji? Give him thumbs up. Give him clapping. Give him anything you want to give him. Give him flowers for his marriage. Please, they help me do that for this guy. You know, the marriage was wonderful. I saw him dancing away with the traditional attire. Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you for that. As you are doing that for Nake, your own is coming. Oh, before the end of this year, you're going to have another marriage. I know Princess is going to get her husband this year. Chika, are you married? Please help me. Oh, I don't know. Let me not commit offense. Chika, are you married? Let me know whether I'm going to pray for you also. I'm praying for Princess Ezenwa. The man is coming. He's on his way. Thank you all for your, show of love. Chika, I ask you a question. I never see your bottle of wine for Nake. Chika. I've not seen your flower. I've not seen anything. And I ask you, are you married? Let me know the kind of prayer I want to pray for you. Because nobody will be in this family that will not get married. This year is our year. Okay? So, yeah. That's great. That's great. Chika, ask you a question. Oh, you have not answered though. I'm waiting for the answer. Let's go there. So, we are talking about a special friend. That is the center of our discussion now. Okay, that is the center of our discussion. Okay, Chika, thank you for your gift, but don't forget to answer my question. No, okay, okay, don't forget to answer my question. I asked you, are you married? Let me know what I'm going to say next. Right. So our conversation is around my special friend, and then we talked about the person, the friend, the name. We're going forward. I now said the procedure is always the same. I'm going to say the English sentence, the Igbo sentence. You listen to me, you comprehend, you repeat what I said in Igbo, translate it and say it in Igbo. I mean, in English rather. I'm going to say in Igbo, you translate it by listening to me, understanding what I said, write your own version in English. That's the translation. Okay? Chika, you're avoiding my question. You're avoiding my question. I say, are you married? You don't want to say anything. You don't know whether your husband is here. You don't play hard though. Okay? Not married and not interested. Oh my goodness. Chika, you must be joking. Chika said, I'm not married, I'm not interested. My God, it's not true. It's not true, Chika. It's not true. You never talk true. Which woman is not interested in marriage? You know, talk true. All right, let's go on. We've had you. When I don't hear Chika, she says she's not married and she's not interested in marriage. So, men, make una know when I don't hear. But I hope you change your mind because I have wonderful men here who are single. Dr. Nedu is here. He's not married yet, and so many wonderful guys here. Okay. Hey, Yoma or Sherry Mango, you are welcome to class. That's Shoibi. Let's go on. I was talking about the man, my special friend. Okay. And then the next sentence is Ahorum yana nya rinne. Ahorum yana nya rinne. I'm talking about that my special friend. Okay. That your special friend is what we're talking about. Ahorum yana nya rinne. So go ahead and translate what I said now into English and write in the chat. Don't repeat what I said in Igbo. It's not necessary. Goal is to see whether you understand what I said in Igbo, comprehend it, and translate it into English. Okay? Okay, somebody has replied. Nedu has replied. Waiting for the rest. Ahụrụ ya n'anya rinne. Talking about that my friend. That my friend. Enyi m ahụ pụrụ iche. Ahụrụ ya n'anya rinne. Okay. Okay, I got one. I got two response from Nedu, from Sherry Mango. Who else is writing? Ahụrụ ya n'anya rinne. Talking about my friend, my special friend. Ahụrụ ya n'anya rinne. Okay. Okay, I got response from Clement, from Nnake. Okay. I didn't say ha. I say ah. Rinne. I'm the one talking about my special friend. Just like you also assume that you are talking about your own special friend. Okay. So I know Nake didn't hear me very well. I know it's beyond this level. So rinne. I wait for Nake to come back again before I mark the script now. Ezenwa has not said anything yet. Where is Ezenwa? Rinne. Princess, where are you? Okay, princess is in. Okay, princess is in. That's good. Chika, what do you say? You don't know. Am I him? Okay, what I said, you don't know it. Okay, that's good. Rinne. Nedu answer first. I love him very much. I love him or her very much. That's correct. Sherry Mango wrote, I love her too. No, that's not what I said. Rinne is so much, or very much. Clement wrote, I love him very much. That's correct. Nake, I love him or her very much. That's correct. Princess, I love him very much. That's correct. You guys are correct. So, Chika, you get that right now. Let's go. Mana. Next sentence now. Listen to me. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. That is the next sentence. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Even though I love him so much. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Let's go. That is the sentence. So, mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Let's go. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Let's go there. Okay. Who is giving us this first? Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Nedu is in. Princess is in. Princess is in. Yes. Where are the rest? Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. Who else is coming in now? I got two responses from Nedu, from Princess. Where are the rest people? Sherry Mango is in. Okay. Nake is in. Yes. Who else is coming in now? Sherry Mango is withdrawing her response. I think she wants to change her mind. Where is Clement Emehe? Where are you? You are not responding again. Have you gone on a wall? Okay. Okay. Nick Chika is here. Sherry Mango is back. Okay. Emehe, where are you? Where is Clement Emehe? Okay, Emehe is in. Network is giving me problem. All right. Sorry about that. The time you are using to write about network is when you should have answered the question. Okay? Okay, you said, however, it gives me problem. Oh, that's the response. Let's go and check what you have said. Mana. Ọ na-enye m nsogbu. First response. Nedu. Okay? But he is giving me trouble. Excellent. Ọ na-enye m. Present continuous is giving me. Na-enye m. Nsogbu. Trouble. Problem. Princess wrote, but he is a problem. No, he's not a problem. Ọ na-enye m is giving me trouble. He is a problem means, but he's a problem is mana ọ bụ nsogbu. That is, he's a problem. But what I said is ọ na-enye m is giving me problem, trouble. Nake, but he or she is giving me trouble. Correct. Sherry Mango, though he is giving me trouble. Though is not what I said. I said mana, which is but in this case. That is the only correction there. Chika, but he gives me problem. That's correct. Clement, however, he gives me trouble. I didn't say however. I said mana. That is but. Oh, okay. Now, Chika, but he gives me problem. Correct. Okay. Princess, but he give my friend is a problem. No. You are still missing it. On a nyem, that is what I said. He gives me problem. Okay. But he gives me problem. All right. So we got the answers, right? Do your corrections. Okay. If you didn't get it, let's go on. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Enyi mụ a. Enyi mụ a. Pay attention to all the part of the sentence. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Don't omit any part of the words. They are all part of it and they have their own role. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Let's go. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. That A there has a meaning. Don't think it's just ordinary. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Let's go. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to what we are doing this class. If you think you are learning from this, give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button beside the channel name there, please. Especially for this live class. Share if you can share, but most importantly, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for doing that. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Who came in first? Nnake came in first. Okay, Seri Mango followed. I'm waiting for others. Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Let's go. Princess is in. Okay, Princess is in. Who else is coming in? Enyi mụ a mara ezigbo mma. Somebody is leading today's class. Oh. Hey, what a surprise. But I'm not surprised anyway. I'm not surprised at all that you are leading. Okay. Okay, Princess has answered. Nake has answered. Sherry Mango has answered. Nedu has answered. Who else is waiting? Emehe, where are you? You're taking back seat. Where are you? Chika, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Enyi mụa mara ezigbo mma. If you don't have idea, say amaim. So we don't need to wait for you. We move on to mark the script and go to the next one. Enyi mụa mara ezigbo mma. Let's go. Clement is in. Okay, I'm waiting for Chika, basically. Chika is the one I'm waiting for. Chika is in. All right. Nake, as oh, okay, Nake is reviewing his response. Yeah, he has canceled the first one. So let's go. So I assume Sheri Mango is now the first person. He said, I am truly beautiful. I didn't say anything like he said. Enyi mara ezigbo mma. I didn't say he said. No. Nedu, this my friend is very beautiful. Excellent. Excellent. I was mentioning something. I say, don't any part of the word I mentioned, they are having their own meaning. Anymore, I emphasize that. That means this my friend. If I say enyim, it's just my friend. But if I say anymore, I'm particular about this my friend. Anymore. If I say nkea, I mean this one. If I say onya, I mean this person. That a that follows makes it personal pronoun. And then talking about this. Ogea is this time. Abea is this place. So that's why when I say anymore, I'm particular about that. I emphasize it. So this, my friend, is very beautiful. Nedu has gotten it first. No correction. As anyone wrote, my friend is a beautiful person. Not really. But I think I've done my correction on that. Clement, my friend is a beautiful person. Not really. I've done my correction. Chika, my friend is beautiful. Not really. Nake, this, my friend, is very beautiful. Correct. Okay? So you say you forgot what I was emphasizing it when I was giving the, the sentence. I emphasize that because I know that is where the problem lies. Okay? So two people got it, Nedu, and finally, Nake after correction. All right, good one. All right. Enyimama ezigbo mma. What else do I want to say about this, my friend? Ọ na-enye m ezigbo onyinye mgbe niile. Ọ na-enye m ezigbo onyinye mgbe niile. Ọ na-enye m ezigbo onyinye mgbe niile. Let's go there. Who is going to crack this one? Who is going to break it down? Ọ na-enye m ezigbo onyinye mgbe niile. Let's go there. Let's break it. Somebody is still leading in this class today. Now, as at now, Dr. Nedu is still leading. I don't know whether somebody will overthrow him or not, but he is still leading as at now, as at this point. Dr. Nedu is leading. All right, let's see whether you'll be dethroned or you will maintain leadership to the end of the class. Okay, let's go. Ọ na-enye m ezigbo onyinye mgbe niile. Cherry Mango is in. He is a faithful person all the time. Good effort. Let's see what other people will say. Cherry Mango has come in first, boldly so. Boldly so. Okay. Cherry Mango, I think I want to still remember you are a Yoruba person, right? Cherry Mango, please confirm. I think I remember you are Yoruba. Am I right? Cherry Mango, do confirm if I'm correct or not. Okay. I just want to say something about that. Right. Nake followed. Chika followed. Nedu followed. Sherry Mango came in again. Yes, answer my question. You are Yoruba. Yes, I want to still remember that you are Yoruba. I really appreciate your effort and your interest in Igbo language. You are doing a great work. You are doing interpretation for Igbo, doing for EFI, doing for so many languages in Nigeria, doing videos on subtitles on all those languages with your cartoons. Great work. God will bless your effort. Okay. Um, Nake, okay, gives me, okay. She, he gives me a very good gift. Okay. Okay. Who has not answered? Where is Clement Emehe? Where is she? Where is Princess? Okay, Clement is in. Princess, where are you? Don't miss in action. Where is Princess? Give me your answer. Ọ na-enye m ezigbo onyinye mgbe niile. All right, Princess is in. Okay, Sherry Mango. Yeah. That's my prayer for you. You will succeed in Jesus' name. Okay, let's go. Mark the script. Sherry Mango came in first. He is a beautiful person all the time. At least you got mgbe niile, which is all the time or every time. But this first part is not okay. Nnake, he or she gives me new, very good gift all the time. I didn't put new there at all. I say ezigbo onyinye. So new is a no there. If you had written he or she gives, okay, maybe you want to write me, you wrote new. Okay. Maybe that's what you want to write. Okay, he gives me very good gift all the time. That would have been fine if that is what you mean. Chika, he always give me good gift. That's also correct. The reverse writing, okay, in the order, but he doesn't make it wrong. He always, mgbe niile is also always, every time, always, mgbe niile, every time, all the time, always, they are all correct. So he always gives me good gifts. That is true. That is correct, Chika. Nedum, he is giving me good gifts every time. Either you put he gives me or always give me. Both are correct. Okay, he gives me good gifts every time. It's also correct. He is giving me present continuous. All are correct. He's giving me, always give me, gives me. They all mean the same thing. Present continuous. Okay, so Nedu, you are also correct. Let's see what Nake is saying. He or she gives me very good gift all the time. You are making your correction. I understand that. That's correct. Clement, he is giving me many gifts. Not really. I didn't say many gifts. I say good gift. Ezigbo onyinye, good gift. I didn't say ọtụtụ onyinye. If I say ọtụtụ onyinye, that is many gifts. All right, Princess, what did you say here? He is giving me great gift all the time. Ezigbo onyinye. Okay, if that is your own interpretation of ezigbo is great, that's okay. But I think ezigbo onyinye, I mean good gift. It could be great gift. Okay? He is, but there's something wrong in your sentence. You said you wrote he is a giving me. Maybe that is a typo. Maybe that is a typo. I'm talking to Princess now. Maybe that is a typo. I think you want to write he is giving me, not he is a giving me. That must be a typo. Great gift all the time. That's okay. That's fine. Okay, Nake. News was a typo. Yeah, I know it's a typo. And I also think Princess on here is a typo. I think so. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Um, Mu, this second sentence, another sentence. So, mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Let's go there. Shoot. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Let's go. Many of you have refused to hit the like button for this live class. Maybe you are not annoyed with me. Maybe you are not doing enough. Maybe the class is boring. Maybe you are not benefiting or you are not gaining. I don't know why you chose not to hit the like button. Do that now. Show appreciation to your teacher. Okay? Do that now, please. That's very important to us. That will make YouTube to recommend this to more people. Okay? Hit the like button. We appreciate it. Let's go. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Okay? Who is shooting first? Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Let's go there. Who is shooting this first? Who is shooting first? Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Let's go there. Let's go there. Who is shooting first? Sherry Mango is in here. Sherry Mango is not giving space at all. She's on fire today. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Let's go there. Sherry Mango is in. What are the rest waiting for? Shoot your answer now. Okay. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Oge ọbụla. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Let's go. Chika is in. Chika is in. I wait for the rest. Nake is in. Nake is in. The Doom is in. The Doom is lost at the middle. Akpakorita is your problem. Okay, we're going to crack that. Where are the rest? Princess, Emehe, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Princess, Emehe, where are you? Let's go. Yeah, I know, Nedu. I know where you had problem. I know. Yeah. So, where is Princess? Where is Emehe? Shoot your reply. Let's go. Shoot your reply. Let's go there. Let's go there. Shoot it now. Mụ na ya na-akpakọrịta oge ọbụla. Waiting for two people. Princess and Emehe. If you don't know, say Amaim. So we go on and mark the script. Clement is in. Okay. Okay. Clement is in. Remaining a princess. Remaining princess to round up and mark our script. Princess, where are you? Don't miss in action. Where is Princess? You can see those people that have crown beside their name. Crown number 1 and number 2. Those are the people that always come to class every Saturday and they come on time. That's why YouTube gave them crown. So if you see that crown beside those names, those are regular attendees. And they are punctual to class. They come right on time. I plead with you to come to class on time so we can do what we need to do within the time allocated and go face other businesses of the day. I don't know. Princess, are you still coming? I'm going to start marking now because of time. Let's see the responses. Sherry Mango, what did you say? Him and I meet up whenever. Okay. Okay. It's not whenever. Oge obula is not whenever. Oge obula is every time, all the time. Okay, that is oge obula. It's also oge niile or oge obula. Okay, it could be actually anytime. Anytime. Okay, it could also be correct. Chika, he and I. Mo na ya. Okay, I will also accept that. Okay, but it should have been me and her or him. That's the order I put it. But it's not all the same. He and I are talking all the time. Excellent. Akpakorita, akparita, akpakorita is discussing, talking together. Akpakorita. Okay? So Chika, I gave this one to you. Nake, I'm always in relationship with him. Okay. Mkpakọrịta can also mean relationship, in close relationship. In that case, we are moving together. Okay. It could also be mkpakọrịta. But more of what I want here is discussion, talking. So Chika is getting it perfectly well this time. So Nedu, you can understand what mkpakọrịta means. Na mkpakọrịta are discussing and talking together. That is what we mean by na mkpakọrịta, na kparịta ụbụbọ, okwu. Clement, me and him are conversing all the time, but your English word for conversating, I think that is the English is a problem there, but I understand what you mean. It should be me and him are conversing all the time. That is correct. Okay. I mean, Nedu, did you get it now? Did you get the meaning of Napakarita? Princess, me and him are talking all the time. Correct. Okay, that's correct. Nedu, are you clear now about where you lost it? Dr. Nedu, is it clear now? Did you get it? Yeah, that's great. That's the beauty of being in a live class. We learn from each other, we learn from others. We must learn something any day we come to class. It's compulsory, sure. Okay, let's go. Um, mgbe ụfọdụ, this is a new sentence, pay attention. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ, anyị na-ese okwu. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Let's go. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Anyị na-ese okwu. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Let's go. Let's go there. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Anyị na-ese okwu. Mgbe ụfọdụ. Let's go there. Who is breaking this down? Who is cracking it? Who is demystifying this one now? Let's watch out and see who is cracking it down. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Let's see who is breaking this. Let's go there. Who is breaking this down? Who is cracking this? Waiting to see who gets that first. Who does that first? Who does that first? Let's go. Let's go there. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Is it too hard? I never get any answer. Okay, Nake is in. Okay, Nake is in. Great one. I wait for others. Sherry Mango is in. I know a little. However, we say more. Okay, you tried, Sherry Mango. That's why you are in the class. You are here to learn from others, and others learn from you. That's the beauty of a live class. You can't come here and go back the same way. Okay, I got two answers from Nake and Sherry Mango. What are the rest people doing? Shoot it, shoot it. Whether right or wrong, Chika is in. Chika is in. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Nedum is in. Princess is in. Okay. Okay. All right. Where is Emehe? It's getting interesting. Where is emeghe? Ma mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-ese okwu. Okay? Where is emeghe? You are the one I'm waiting for. Chika is in already. Nedumi is in. Princess is in. Emeghe is one I'm waiting for us to mark our script. Clement, where are you? Okay, Clement is in. He doesn't know the beginning. And whenever we meet, is a hot. I don't know. You are confused. I'm also confused by what you wrote. I'm really confused. Okay, but let's go and mark the script. Okay, the first person to come in is Nake, the latest husband in town. But sometimes we argue. Hmm, hmm. But sometimes the beginning is very excellent. Mgbe ma, that is bet. Mgbe ụfọdụ, sometimes, correct, excellent. Anyị, we, correct. Na-ese okwu. It's not just argument there. It is quarrel. Na-ese okwu. But sometimes we do quarrel. Of course, argument is part of it. We do argue. But sometimes we argue or we quarrel. So, Nake, I give it to you. I give it to you substantially. You got it. But sometimes we argue. But what I actually mean is we quarrel. Anyị na-ese okwu. So, ise okwu is to quarrel. Okay? That is ise okwu. So, na-ese okwu is quarreling. Okay? Mgbe ụfọdụ, we do quarrel. Okay? Anyị na-ese okwu. Okay? Okay, argument is also part of quarreling. Okay, so that's why I say Nake got it substantially when he says, but sometimes we argue. So I give it to him. Okay, Sherry Mango, I think you know better now. Odua, sometimes we argue. You didn't put the beginning part of the sentence, ma. You didn't put it. That is bet. Okay, bet. Okay, that is what is missing in Chika's sentence. If you have put, but sometimes we argue, you would have also gotten it. They do. But when we meet, we are talking. No? Mgbe ụfọdụ is sometimes. Sometimes. Okay? Ụfọdụ, that is it. Ma mgbe ụfọdụ, that is it. Yeah, Nedum, that is what I mean. That is it. Mgbe ụfọdụ. That is sometimes. Okay? Mgbe ụfọdụ, that is exactly what I mean. Mgbe ụfọdụ. That is what I mean. Sometimes. Okay, let's go to Princess. Me and him argue sometimes. Yeah, but you didn't put ma, which is bet. You didn't put it. So if you had put but me and him argue sometimes, I would have also given it to you. The only thing you miss, Princess, is that bet ma. That's what it's missing. Clement, and whenever we meet, it's hot. Not really. Not really. All right. Okay. Adema kaiganihu. Okay. Next sentence now. Otu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị na-adị nwa mgbe. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị na-adị nwa mgbe. I hope I'm not getting too deep. Etu ọ dị, I've already taught you people a conjunction before, which comprises etu ọ dị. This is time to put all those things I've been teaching you into practice now. We are no more babies. I've taught you conjunction, forms of conjunction. So you should know etu ọ dị. Etu ọ dị. Esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. Maybe I should. Is that what I said before? Etu ọ dị. Esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ ọtụtụ oge. Anọghị anọ oge. Anaghị anọ oge. Let me maintain that so that we don't confuse anybody. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. I repeat again. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. That's the final sentence. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. Let's go. We do quarrel. Okay, this is a follow-up sentence. We do quarrel. Okay, but a follow-up sentence says, etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. Let's try this. Let me see those who will crack it down. Those who will break it down very well. Today class now, no be small joke, no be joke. Oh. Today class now, na racking of brain, and it's good. Sometimes we chew bone. And then when we do that, we learn new things. Okay, that's how to grow. That's how to grow. If you don't pass through some stress, no growth. All right. Who is giving this a trial? Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. Let's go there. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. I have taught you conjunction before. Let's use it now. Let's use it now. I've taught you via live class, via video, and everything. So it is time to use it. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. I've been saying it again. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị anọ oge. How many times more should I say it? I think I've tried. You know it, you know it. You don't know it, you don't know it. And then you have to learn it now. Who is trying? Who is giving this a trial? Who is challenging the teacher now? Let's go there. Let's go there. No response yet. What is going on here? Gịnị mere? Ngwa dee ya ọsịsọ, egbula oge. Don't waste time. Oge anyị agwụla, ọ na-akwụkwapụ. Time has gone. Let's go. Cherry mango, you no agree at all. However, swim with us. At 4, we meet at the time. Wow. I hope I get what you're saying. At least I got, however, the rest. Okay? The rest, I'm not very sure. But let's go. Sherry Mango is challenging all of you. This Yoruba lady challenging you people. Let's see what you people come up with. At least she has beaten you people to first position in this response. What are you guys doing? What is going on here? Drop your answer. Wrong or right, we will panabit it and make it right. That's why we are here. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Don't be afraid to fail. You fail, you learn something from your fall. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị ewe oge. Okay, Princess has come in, even though with incomplete sentence. No problem. We manage it. Who else is coming in? Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị ewe oge. What is Nake waiting for now? You say I should repeat it. I've repeated it over and over again. You've not replied. Where is Emehe? Where is Chika? Where is okay? Chika is in. Oh, you say I should repeat it. Okay, I should keep repeating. A2 all day. Esem okwu anyị anaghị ewe oge. I think I've tried repeating it several times. Yes. Who is trying again? Only two people have attempted it. Sherry Mango and Nedum. Those are the only two people that have tried. Nake asked me to repeat it. I've done repetition for more than 4 times. Yet it's not coming up with anything. Chika asked for repetition. I've done repetition again. No response yet. I'm waiting for you guys. Emehe, where are you? Have you gone away? Yes. This is the last sentence for today. Let's do so that supply your answer so we can mark. If you don't know, say am, so we don't need to wait for you. We go ahead and mark the script, do our corrections, and call it a date. Those of you who have not hit the like button for this live class, you have not done well. You've not done well. Okay? That's not fair enough to your teacher. Okay. Okay, Clement is in. Chika and Nakeda asked me to repeat. Why is your answer? Where is your answer? Where is it? I've not seen them. I have not seen your responses. Ezenwa, I have not seen your response either. Yes. I've not seen your response either. Where are you? Etu ọ dị, esemokwu anyị anaghị ewe oge. All right. Let me begin to answer it now. I don't know. I think the rest are not coming up. Okay. Odo Chika is in. Am I in this one? Okay. Princess, what are you saying? Nake, what are you saying? If you don't know, say you don't know. Let's go on. If you don't know, say am I in there? Am I in here? I don't know it. Simple. So we can go on and mark the script and give the correction. First, let me write the Igbo version. Let me write the Igbo version so that we can copy. You want to copy. Why is this not responding? I think it's long. It's very long. This is the sentence in Igbo. Etuode. There should be comma here. Esemoku. My oku is not correct either. I think I need to remove this one. It's not. There's typo there. There shouldn't be typo at all because this should be the correction. Etuode. There should be comma before esemokwu anyị anaghị ewe oge. All right, so this is the Igbo version. So the interpretation is this. Those who say, however, at the beginning are correct, even though we quarrel every time. However, our quarrel. What is happening here? Our quarrel I don't even know the spelling of quarrel in English again. Does not take time. I don't know whether I get quarrel or not. So please, if I don't get it, correct my English. However, our quarrel does not take time. However, etuode, okay, okay, etuode. That is however. Esemokwu is quarrel. Esemokwu anyị, our quarrel. Anaghị ewe does not take oge. Anaghị ewe oge. Okay, okay. So you are Nnake, you are writing when I've already written the answer. Okay, I've already supplied the answer. However, a quarrel does not take time. Okay. Okay, even my does is not correct. It does not take time. That's what I mean. However, our quarrel does not take time. We settle as quick as possible. That is the last for today. Please, if you think we've learned something today, give us a thumbs up, like the like class, hit the like button beside the channel name. Give me thumbs up in your emoji. Appreciate us. Drop your flowers for us today. If you think you've learned something in the class of today, if you've enjoyed today's class, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate us. And then I hope you will be in the class next Saturday. I hope you will be here. If you've enjoyed this class and you'll be here next Saturday, please indicate I will be here next Saturday. Please let me have that your assurance. I will be here. Just write I will be here in the chat. If you'll be here next Saturday, say I will be here. They will appreciate you guys. You are the reason why we are here. If you are not here, I will not be here. You made it possible. Appreciate you for supporting me all the way from beginning till this very moment. Those of you who joined the class recently, guy Chika, appreciate you. You joined, you are very punctual, always coming to class first before everybody. Okay. Cherry Mango, thank you for promising to be here next Saturday. Thank you also for joining back after a while. You're welcome back to class. Nedu, you were not present for some time. Thank you for coming back to class again today. Princess, appreciate you. Always regular, always staying with us. Nake, regular member, regular class attendant. Appreciate all of you. Emehe, you never fail to come to class every Saturday. Appreciate all of you guys. Chukwu gozie unu niile. Anyị ga-ahụ na Saturday na-abịa. Ka emesịa. See you then. Okay.